Hello guys, welcome to PyPower Projects. Today we'll learn a wonderful project, certificate automation using OpenCV. Let's see the project. This is the output we'll get after learning this project. Multiple certificate just by giving name of participant and date. Printed certificate, that is certificate in digital form, will be ready and stored in a folder. Isn't it awesome? Yes, it's awesome, and you can change this font and font color, font size, font type and everything of the certificate, and a digital certificate will be generated of all the participants. So let's start. We'll learn this project in two steps. First is set coordinates and second is generate certificate. Yes, set coordinate, you have to set coordinates of name and date. You have to just double click on the soft copy of your certificate where to write name and where to write date. And second step, generate certificate. In here you have to select text file of the names. The number of participants you have to store in text file, names of participant, and you have to give this text file as an input. Change default date, I have set one default date. You have to change that date according to your requirement. And third, on clicking just one button, multiple certificate with file name as the participant name will be stored in a digital format in a single folder. So let's see what is the code behind this. Required libraries, these are the required libraries. This is OpenCV library, Pillow library PIL, NumPy, OS and CSV. Now step 1 is set coordinates. So the present code will read the select image. cv2.imread will read the image. You have to give input the file name. c3.jpg is my soft copy of certificate. So here you have to get soft copy of certificate as input. It will be stored in img and a window will be shown of image name, and this is a function set mouse callback and two arguments are given. This will print the text, that is coordinates on the image where you double click on image to write date and name. Yes, this is the function. This will print selected coordinates on the image. We'll see in one output. So if event equal to event.l button click, that is double click, then it will put text on the image %d, that is two coordinates x, y, and these are the color of the image that will print in green color. You have to select the coordinates of image by trial and error. Once you select, if it doesn't match your requirement, then again run this code, select coordinates accordingly and rerun. It will match your requirements. You have to double click this image, and most important is you have to select the top side of the coordinate. So we'll see in next code. You have to double click on the top corner of your font where you have to write, not on the bottom. Let's see. Okay, so if I click here, that is double click here at this position, then the coordinates will be printed 196,229 and text will start from here. For example, if it want to write Rushi Patel, then it will start from here, from this coordinate, and it will write like this. Similarly for date, if you start from here, then it will write from here 23/03/2020, and if you select here, then it will start from here 23/03 and so on. So you have to select the top corner and double click to select that event. Click escape key to exit from this code. This will show image until you press escape key. Next, step 2 is generate certificate. So first is you have to give input the text file of name, change a default date, and on clicking button, multiple certificate will be generated. Let's see its code. cv2.imread, as we already seen it, imread will read image. You have to give soft copy of certificate in this argument. This will convert your CV2 image into PIL image. That is, CV2 uses BGR convention for image and PIL will use RGB. So this function will convert your BGR image to RGB image. Second, set proper font and print on certificate. Use true type fonts. Here I have used true type fonts. Image font dot true type. You have to give here font name. In source code I have given multiple TTF files, that is source file of the multiple font. You can change and print accordingly. And draw text, these are the coordinates. It will start from here. Name to print is the name of person, and font equal to this font, and color equal to red. Certificate will print. In certificate, name will be printed in red color, and you can change accordingly: red, green, blue, and also you can give RGB color or hexadecimal to this. Yes, this is the file. I have to give the name of participant in a file. I have to write like this, and certificate will be generated of all the participants with name as a file name and will be stored in a single folder. Output, run certificate.py file and certificate will be generated. It's awesome. Yes, it's awesome, really awesome. And the fonts are really great. Date font, name font, and a wonderful feeling of digital certificate or printed certificate you will achieve. This will save a huge time of writing certificate. So this is output. A file will store certificate like this: Mr. Bhavesh Jain.png, deepdarji.png. Accordingly, the name of file will be same as the person name and your format. So after running certificate.py file, you will get this output in your folder. Output folder will be created, and in that all the certificate will be stored. Let's see certificate generation code. Yes, in this we'll take input from a text file. So you have to give here text file of the participants, and this will read the coordinate of the name and date. Here we, as seen in PPT, this will load image in CV2. This will convert image from BGR to RGB. This will pass image to PIL. Font, multiple font you can use here. I have given you some fonts here in comment. These are the fonts already present in my folder, so you can directly use this. Just copy from here and paste here. Your output will be according to this font. So you can change font as your requirement. If you want to write different font, that just download TTF file and place in the same folder as your code and just write its name. Then the font will be printed in, and the name or date will be printed in that font. Here draw text, coordinates are here, name that is to be printed, date to be printed, and font and color. Okay, that's it. Now let's run this functionality. Yes, now you have to double click where you have to write your name. So I have double clicked here, and same for date. Okay, now I have to press escape key. So escape. Now run certificate generation file. Yes, my certificate is generated and it looks awesome. And now let's see this output folder where all of the participant certificate are generated and stored as the file name same as participant name. Let's see it. Yes, here the output folder. Oh yes, it is there. As we have seen in PPT, all the file name. Yes, so all the certificates are generated in digital format. You can just print it out and distribute to the participant. This will give a personalized and a better feeling to all the participants. So that's it for today project. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy learning.
Thank you. Have a good day.